Okay, so let me just give a little bit of a review here. Not sure how I'm liking this. First application, a big, like, I don't know, just a large amount came off on the side, on the inside, and I had a hard time getting it to go on here. I had to keep pressing and pressing deep to get product out. I got the neutral beige, and it looks like it's kind of light for me, but it works for winter for me. I do like this color correcting concealer, like in that. I forgot to put this on first, but I really wanted to try it on, and it said Luminix or whatever, Dewy. I thought it might have a slight shimmer to it, so I went ahead and put it on top, but it did not. It felt good though. It felt good going on, just like the foundation felt fine going on. This is super duper strong. OMG. I don't know if it took off some of my foundation here or it's just so strong. It doesn't match with the shadows that I'm going to wear today, but I just wanted to try the new stuff for you. And this is okay. I had a little bit of a hard time controlling this, but you know, it's okay. It looks like it, you know, it has good coverage for my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a tutorial.